everyone, myself Rutuja Ramesh Mustapare. Today I choose the technical subject. From the technical subject, I would like to tell you about the introduction of pharmacovigilance. I wanted to introduce about the pharmacovigilance. It is used for a safety of our drug or safety of the patient's health. First of all, I wanted to talk about the pharmacovigilance word. It is a Greek or Latin word combination. I want to now I break the word. From that breaking the word, the pharmacon it is made from the Greek, which is means the medicine or the drug, and vigilance it is made from the Latin, which is made from the keep watching and watch with fullness. From that that means the pharmacovigilance, it means the keep watching on the medicines after the marketing and after the marketing first. Now I am tell you about the definition of the pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance it is defined by the World Health Organization in the 2002. The science and the activities which is related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of the adverse effect of the any other drug related that the problem. There are the drug safety, drug efficacy, drug effectiveness. Later, I know there are the four important terms of the pharmacovigilance. First is that detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention. Right now, I'm telling about the what is that four important terms in brief. The first is the detection. That is, for example, if any case the clinical trials are working, that time the post marketing trials are done by the physicians. At the time of the case of the post marketing trials, the physicians and prescribers are reported the adverse event related to the drug. That is the detection, or the that the uh, that the problem which is reported. The assessment, the healthcare professionals which are the assessing the drug event or the drug related problem, that is due to the any reason or the due to the any drug related problems. And what is the understanding? Understanding it is the specialist which is involving the understanding the or the reporter which is or the reporter or the safety specialist which are involving the understanding the event or the drug related problems. And last is that prevention, which the reported drug event, the drug related problem which is regular, go to the regulatory authorities which are the and taking on that precautionary actions by helping to the helping to the preventing that drug adverse effect. There is one example of the pharmacovigilance related, that is a thalidomide accident, or the thalidomide disaster, which is happened in 1960, which is happened in 1960 by using the thalidomide drug in the 46 country. In the 46 country, the thalidomide drug was used and for the pregnant ladies. That is, the drug is used as a for the morning sicknesses. Because of that drug, the this is also called as a man-made disaster. Because of that drug, the thousands of miscarriages happens, and the newborn baby has happened the phocomelia diseases. In that phocomelia, the some newborn baby don't having some organs are present in their body. This is the biggest man-made disaster are happened. Keep watching on the drug don't happen this again. The what is the process of the pharmacovigilance? First of all, we have to monitoring a drug and safety profiles. After that, collecting and analyzing the data of the drug adverse drug reactions. After that, conducting the risk benefit assessments, and that the doing the some strategies to risk management implementation. After the communication the safety information to the healthcare professionals and the with the patients. And uh, this is the ensuring the safety and responsible of use medications for the health and promoting the public health. That's why the pharmacovigilance is introduced in the India in 2010. The first time the pharmacovigilance program is happened. And thank you.